Hi, I'm Tom Kavanek, Business Development Manager with Panduit. And thanks for taking time out of your day to view this demonstration of OneMode. OneMode is a unit that can take single mode lasers, shape the laser light so that it excites only the fundamental mode on a multimode fiber, thereby reaching speeds of 10 gig, 50 gig, 100 gig on that multimode fiber. Let me walk through the various parts of the demonstration before we actually take a look at the screen. Here at the MDF, or what would be the MDF, is an Anritsu MT1000A bit error rate tester. It's generating a pseudo-random stream of bits. It's taking those bits and encapsulating them in Ethernet frames. So it's sending out Ethernet frames on this single mode patch cord, which is connected to the front side of the OneMode unit. Here are the pigtails exiting the OneMode, which are fusion spliced onto two spools each 500 meters of OM1 fiber, which are then fusion spliced onto single mode pigtails connected to another Anritsu MT1000A, but this one's acting as a reflector. So what it's doing is it's looking for CRC errors, looking for a MAC address, but then takes that traffic, turns around and sends it back down the stream to the original MT1000A, where it's checking for bit errors, it's checking for frame sync errors, drop frames, things of that nature. So let's take a look at the screen of the MT1000A. Here's the setup screen. It's a QSFP28 optical module, and we forced it to be 100 gigabits per second. So that's what the optical module is doing. Taking a look at the tester itself, the link speed is 100 gigabits per second. It's a full duplex link, and we are indeed generating Ethernet traffic. Let's take a look at the results screen. You can see that all of the error counters are green or zero. And to show that this is truly a functioning link, what I'm going to do is disconnect the single mode patch cord from the front of OneMode to break the link to generate errors. I'll reconnect the single mode patch cord, put it back, and you can see all sorts of errors on the tester. There's pattern errors, dropped frames, frame sync errors, and as you would expect, I mean, we disconnected the link. So let's go ahead and reset the tester. In order to do that, I need to stop the test. And I'll restart it. And you can see that we're right back to a fully functioning link, no errors whatsoever. So we've reset the tester, the link is back up and running as it was before. Again, that's a demo of OneMode, 100 gigabits per second, over 500 meters of OM1 fiber. Again, thanks for taking time out of your busy day to watch this video.